I'll show you how I fry my fish. We got some catfish. Well, this is a sockeye. Got some catfish. Got some bass in here, some perch, some lake runners. What I do, mustard as a binder. Get everything, some mustard on there. I'm gonna come with some, this is a lower sodium Cajun seasoning. It doesn't have all the salt most Cajun seasonings do. This is mine, I make this. But I'm gonna go with Bullock's 9 spice for a little flavor on there. And mix all that up. And then whatever fish fry you like. We got the Zatarain's fish fry right now. The lemon pepper. Take that. Take your fish. Drop that down to some fish fry. I like to do it in a container with a lid where I can mix it all up. We're gonna give that a shake. We have a perfectly battered fish. And the grease is heating up. We're running 350. If you don't have a thermometer, you could always do this. Put a little fish fry. That's how you know it's ready right there. Gonna drop our fish. You want to go away from you. Don't want to splash yourself. Two more minutes, give it another flip. Flip it in 2 minutes, because if you don't, it'll just burn on the bottom of the pan because it's not deep fried. Oh, she dancing right there. Ooh, Lord, we got twerk team. Slow your roll, girl, slow your roll. Get that thing down. The oil kind of lets you know when it's ready too. It gets a lot quieter than when you first put them in. Get that grease off. If you got a lot of fish, you could do a wire rack. That way you don't get soggy fish, but we don't have that much and we'll be eating quick. So that's it right there, that's supper. You got fried fish, shrimp boulettes, white beans. All seasoned with Bullock's 9 spice. Mm-hmm.